Hello everyone, this time we are going to discuss addition of rational expression with different denominators. So if we're going to add rational expressions, it is just like when you are adding dissimilar fractions. We need to identify the LCD, and then the LCD of the given rational expression is the denominators by itself. Or you can use the cross multiplication. So we have x plus 2 times the first numerator, which is x plus 1 plus copy x times x minus 3. And then you just copy in the denominator, the two denominators. We have x minus 3 times x plus 2. So that will be the LCD. And then simplify. We need to multiply. Okay, so we have x squared plus x plus 2x by multiplying the two binomials, and plus x squared minus 3x. We just need to distribute x to the binomial. Copy the denominator, x minus 3 and x plus 2. And then we need to simplify. Arrange the given in the numerator. So we have x squared plus x squared. So x squared plus x squared. X plus 2x, it will become 3x. And just copy the constant 2 plus 2, and you copy the minus 3. Or it can be beside the positive 3x. And you copy the denominator, x minus 3 and x plus 2. Next one, simplify. X squared plus x squared, it will become 2x squared. Cancel out 3x minus 3x, and the remaining is plus 2, or the constant 2. Copy the denominator. We have quantity of x minus 3 and quantity of x plus 2. Or we can have extract out 2. It will become the remaining binomial is x squared plus 1, and then multiply x minus 3 times x plus 2. It will become x squared minus x minus 6. It is the same thing on how we are going to subtract rational expression. Thank you for